I will have to take it from my office after the hair transplant. You could return to the work very next day if you can take care not to damage the new implanted hair follicles. However, if you prefer not to have others know that you have had a hair transplant, we recommend being off work for 4 to 10 days depending on how fast your scalp heals. You will be given, after the surgery, you will be given 1 week medicine which includes the antibiotics, the painkillers and the medicines for taking care of your swelling. You are supposed to not smoke after the surgery, do not drink after the surgery, do not go for the swimming, do not go to the gym for 15 days, and then I am interested in having a transplant procedure, what should I do? Come and consult Dr. Nishita's Cosmetic Clinic. We have 10 clinics all across India. Come for the free consultation and we'll help you out with it. What care should I receive after the surgery? So, we will be, our doctor and our team of nurses and trichologists will help you with giving the post-surgery advice and how to take care of your procedure or transplanted root. Doctor and our team is there to help you out. Okay, all the best. Come to us if you have a hair loss and we are there to help you. Thank you so much.